If you clicked on this video, you're either a newbie, OG, or somebody who generally just wants to learn more about YouTube and how, if you want to be a YouTuber, how it works. And I'm one of you because I just tried this 30-day challenge to just see and look through some data to be able to validate how best to navigate this YouTube journey. And without wasting any more of your time, I'm gonna dive into the numbers. I want to show you my 30 days of posting consistently on YouTube. I tried a YouTube hard-ish challenge where I was posting consistently for the last 28 days, and this is the data that shows how this, or the results of how this journey has somewhat come to be. As you can see on the screen, in just 28 days, we achieved 472 new subscribers, 18,384 views from publishing 9 long-form videos and 8 short-form videos. These aren't just numbers, they tell a story about what works and doesn't. The first obvious lesson from YouTube from the last 28 days or 30 days is that it does reward consistency. And what does consistency look like? It looks like you posting regularly for YouTube to be able to know you exist, know that you're there, so that it could recommend your content to the right audience for you. Lesson 2, if you'd like to grow your YouTube long term, for me, I believe shorts, for example, are not a long-term strategy. They're good for quick growth, but they're not good for those loyal community building subscribers, so pay attention to that. And final lesson, I would recommend posting consistently for a specific number of times for you to gather enough data for you to be able to know which content works best for your channel, how your subscribers respond to your content. Let YouTube know more about you and what you are about, so your niche basically, and ultimately that data will be able to help you make adjustments to what works and what doesn't work, and subsequently help you boost and grow your channel even better. For me, this experience has been quite insightful, and I'm super excited for the next 30 days because I'm still doing my 75 hard, not so hard challenge. And I mean, this is for you guys now. Comment down below if you're an aspiring YouTuber, currently a newbie, or OG. Comment down below if any of these things resonate with you, and add on to, any more advice you may have for us newbies in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching the video up to this point. Like and subscribe and watch my journey and see whether I will be monetized in the 75 days as I promised myself.